how to use Card's mobile wallet app. So if you want to use Card's mobile wallet app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've installed the app. After installing, you need to open the application. After opening the app, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is here on the top right. You need to just simply tap on the profile and you need to enter your first and last name. You can also add your profile picture if you want to. Just tap on this camera icon and add your profile picture. Once you've done, you need to go with the plus icon, which is on the top right, in order to add your cards. So just tap on plus and then enter your card name. After entering your card name, you need to go with next and you'll get this kind of interface. You can scan your credit or your debit card with your phone's camera or type the details. Follow the steps to verify it with your bank. To pay in a store, you need to unlock your phone, open the app, and pick your card. Hold your phone near the payment reader. Look for the contactless symbol, and then done. You'll see a check mark when it's good. You can also check your payments in the app to keep track of what you spend. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.